What's the meaning of bathing cap? Bathing cap. Bathing cap.
Bathing cap. Bathing cap. A bathing cap, also known as a swim cap or swimming cap, is a piece of headwear worn primarily by swimmers and synchronized swimmers. It serves several purposes, including keeping hair out of the face and reducing drag in the water to enhance performance. Bathing caps can also help protect hair from chemicals in pool water and reduce the amount of chlorine that gets absorbed into the hair. They come in a variety of materials, including latex, silicone, and lycra, and can feature designs, patterns, and logos. Although once a common sight at public pools, the use of bathing caps has declined in recent years.